Hey guys, Big Coil here. I've got a mission to do on my H3 Hummer. I've got a 2008 H3. We're in Australia, so it's a right-hand drive. It's got about 175,000 Ks on it. The Coil Packs, I believe, are shitting the tin and are no longer playing the game. So the Coil Packs are what you see just in there. That's that little doodad there. So what I'm going to have to do is take this off here, take this connection off. This thing's going to have to come off. That stays, but I've got to disconnect this over here. I'm going to lift all of that off there and then get access underneath here. Now the new Coil Packs, I was quoted some ridiculous prices, 175 bucks a piece. These ones, which are from a company called Fuel Miser, who manufacture them, and the actual part number is called a CC613 ignition coil. So now I've bought two. One lot I got for $102, and these other ones here I got the last two because the first company didn't have enough. I got for $66 here in Australia. So alright, stick with me. We're going to pull this apart and see if I can do it without wrecking it. Hello, I'm not a mechanic. I've just watched a few videos and it doesn't look like rocket science. Let's see what it does. At the moment, when I start, it's very rough on start, missing like a dog. So hopefully this is going to resolve that problem. We'll see how we go.